What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn what to do in order to make your Windows computer start up faster. So the initialization process gonna be really faster. And it's a very simple tip that you have to do often on your computer. So once a month, one time in 2 months, you need to do this, okay? To free up space and to make your computer start up faster. Go to your start panel. Into the search, we're gonna type run. Click on it. This window gonna open, okay? So you can type the name of the program so you can find. Click on prefetch, type prefetch just like this, okay? Simple, okay? Just type prefetch. Pause the video so you can copy. Then click on OK. Mine it's free because I'm already deleted this for the tutorial to test, okay? And of course yours gonna be able you may be able to see thousands of files. Select all. You can type on your keyboard Ctrl+A to select all. Click with the right button of your mouse and you can safely delete every single file right here, okay? There's nothing to worry, all can be deleted. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and try on, restart your computer and let me know how fast it was and if it was faster than the previous test, okay? And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys tomorrow. All the best.